I get paid every time that I buy supplies for my own business. This is the business hack that I really wish that I knew sooner. Seriously, I wish somebody had told me this way earlier, because for years I was spending tons of money on supplies for my business, not realizing that I was literally leaving money on the table. Now, I get paid almost every single time that I buy something for my business, whether it be t-shirts, heat transfer vinyl, anything for my packaging, all of it. Now, don't worry, this method doesn't involve a credit card or anything like that. No coupons, no points. I'm not trying to get into debt for any of this. This is just the business hack that I wish I knew sooner. And the crazy part is that you can do the same thing. It really isn't that hard. It just takes a little bit of a setup. So let me show you how you can turn your business or your hobby expenses into extra income. Let's get into it. So if you run a t-shirt business, or really any business, or even just a hobby, you already know that ordering supplies literally never stops. Blank tees, vinyl, ink, paper, boxes, packing tape. It's nonstop. And for the longest time, I just accepted it. At the end of the day, they're business expenses and I'm still making money. So it is what it is. I never really thought about it any other way. I saw it as simply the cost of doing business. Until I realized I was missing out on one of the easiest ways to make my money work for me. And it's something that I was already using without even realizing its full potential. Okay, check this out. A lot of companies that we already shop from our favorite vinyl supplier, our favorite blanks supplier, or crafting vendor, they offer affiliate programs. They're usually free to join, no strings attached. If you want more information on that, then just check out this video. I'm gonna link it at the end of this video, so make sure you check this out and then go into that to learn more about affiliate marketing. Now, some companies, they might need you to have a certain number of followers, but that's not all of them. So don't be too stressed out about that. You can definitely find affiliate programs without really having any. But the more reputable or the bigger the company is going to be, the more likely it will require that. So just keep that in mind. Now, when you find one that offers the products that you use, then just simply sign up for it. And when you generate your own affiliate link, you can actually use it on yourself. So when you go to a place and make an order, instead of just checking out like normal, you click your own affiliate link first, and boom, you get a commission off of your own supplies. Same stuff, same site, but now you're getting paid to make that purchase. Some companies even let you stack that with a discount. So you're saving money and you're earning money at the same time. That's not a sale, it's a system. Now, it is important to note that not every company will give you these benefits. Some will offer simply just a discount, others will only offer you a commission. But there's also going to be a few that offer you both. And of course, there's going to be a few that don't offer you anything. So it's important to read the details of the affiliate program. And if you have any questions or any concerns about it, just simply send them an email, just message the company, and they'll let you know everything that you need to know. Also, if you do have a following, you could even negotiate some of these different things. Now, quick reminder, if you're into content like this and want more real behind the scenes strategies for growing your business the smart way, then make sure you hit that subscribe button. Now, here's exactly how I've done it. I find a company that I already shop with, the kind that I often buy from. I sign up for their affiliate program. Most take like just 5 minutes, and I generate my own personal link. And before I place an order, I just shop through my own link. That's it. There's no shady workarounds. There's no weird browser tricks. I place the same order that I always do, and a few days later, or maybe at the end of the month, I see a little payout. Is it hundreds? No. But every time that I do order anything that I need for my business, which is pretty much any time that I get an order, it adds up. Plus what I make in commissions from sharing that link with my audience and what I make from the job itself. And when you're running a business where you're constantly reordering, then that extra cash flow really does make a real difference. Now, if you partner with a company that offers both a discount and a commission on your own orders, then you can almost be doubling your payout, which in turn could be seen as an increase in your overall profits. Now, this increase in profits can either be some types of savings that you pass on to your customers or just something that you just simply collect yourself. Now, I remember I was ordering about 2,000 worth of supplies from one vendor. Actually, no, it was when I was ordering the Sawgrass sublimation printer. And this was before I knew about their affiliate program. And then 2 weeks later, I find out that I could have gotten a 10% commission back just by using my own link and a 25% discount. Bro, that's over $600. It's safe to say that after that, I never ordered the same way again. Now, if you do want to try this, here's what I suggest. Go to the website of a company that you already buy from. and scroll all the way to the bottom. Look for a link that says affiliate program, partners, or refer and earn. If you don't see one, just Google it. Like put the brand name and then put affiliate program right after it. Still can't find it? Then send them an email. Most companies have an affiliate and influencer department that's dedicated for this. Like take for example over at Heat Transfer Warehouse. Just go ahead and go to their website, scroll all the way to the bottom, and then right here you're going to find the affiliate and partnership program. So just go ahead and click on it. Then just go ahead and fill out the form that they ask and submit your information. Companies know the importance of affiliate marketing, especially in this day and age. Also, you can check out AWIN ShareASale, which is soon to just be AWIN. It's a website where tons of different companies in literally any category that you can think of just sit around waiting for people to sign up for their affiliate links or for their affiliate programs. On ShareASale, you can go ahead and look for tons of different companies that you can join their affiliate programs. Now, not everything here is going to be, let's say, for your business. A lot of these can literally be used for just creating content. Like let's say you run a home and gardening channel or a TikTok or something. You can go ahead and look through here to see what companies in that niche offer affiliate programs. Now, when you do want to sign up for any of these, all you have to do is simply just click on join program. And then if you scroll down, you're going to look for the current agreement, because this is going to be one of the places that you can find out whether or not you can use your affiliate code or your affiliate link on yourself. Now, it is important to note that most of these, they're not the exact same thing. These aren't just people that are copying and pasting their terms and conditions. They're actually setting their own. So it's very important to read through each one of them. Now, AWIN should be the same thing. I'm still getting used to this one. This is what ShareASale is going to be turning into pretty soon. But here, if we look under advertisers, then we're going to find join programs or partner recommendations as well, I guess. And here you're going to find all of the companies. Now, remember, some companies, they won't let you use your own link for your own purchases, and that's fine. You can still recommend them and make a commission, but a lot of the other ones do let you do that. And when they do, that's money that's waiting for you to claim it. Now, to stack even more rewards and cashback, apply for a credit card that offers cashback and rewards, but that's for a whole different video. Also, make sure to pay it off. So yeah, I mean, this is a business hack that I wish I knew sooner. It's simple. It's not some secret science. It's not some secret sauce. It's just something that most people overlook. But if you're already running a business and already spending money on supplies, then this is one of the easiest forms of essentially passive income that you can set up for yourself. It just takes a few minutes and it'll keep paying you back over and over the more that you grow your business and the more orders that you get. Now, if this helped you out, let me know down in the comments below. And if you want me to do a deep dive on actual suppliers that allow this, then I'll make a follow-up video. And yo, if you're trying to build a business that works smarter, not just harder, then make sure you hit that subscribe button. Huge thank you to everyone for watching, especially if you made it all the way to the end. My name is Mario with Neko Prince, and I'll catch you all next time. Peace.